Everybody, my name is Faith Goji. I am a student of Imsu. So guess what? There's this thing on campus. I've just been seeing it and hearing about it. It's called Hult Prize. So now we're just going to meet some people over there. I think they're having their meeting. This is like a time for me to go and know more about Hult Prize because I think it's really interesting. Okay, so join me because I know you want to know about it too. Okay, so let's go. Hello, good afternoon. I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
No, not at all.
Okay, so my name is Faith, and I'm here to ask you some questions about Hult Prize. I hope it's cool.
Sure.
Okay, so before I start, can I know your names?
Oh, my name is Washuknia Princess Anna.
Coach Kingsley.
And I'm Larry Daniel.
Okay, nice to meet you guys. So now, like I said earlier, I'm here to ask you some questions about Hult Prize. So obviously, the first question is, what is Hult Prize, please?
Okay, when we're talking about Hult Prize is actually a competition founded by the United Nations organization, whereby each year they impose students to solve entrepreneurship problem. You understand? Now, the best student with the particular solutions of the problem wins a grand prize of $1 million. But this year's challenge, we're talking about having a business idea that can employ 2,000 persons by the year 2024. These are students come together, teamwork, and have the best idea. You win that grand prize, $1 million.
Okay, that's cool. So, who can actually participate in Hult Prize, and how can I participate if I want to?
Okay, that's very beautiful. Now, you know that Hult Prize is a very big body. Yes. So it is an international student competition. I would like to say that. Now, who can participate? People who are still studying, who are still students, undergraduates, graduates, PhD students can participate. Yes.
So, how can I participate?
The competition is very simple. How you can participate? Just come to the organizers of Hult Prize on campus here in Imsu. Now we'll give you a website to register. Now before that, we'll have to vet your business idea, know how much you are dedicated to it, and boom, you are in for it.
Okay. I guess that's like pretty simple. So my next question: do team members have to be from the same university to participate?
Talking about team member, the same university, we can also be from different department, different faculty, but should be in the same school to participate. That is it. Any further questions?
Okay. So can a university alumni compete?
Yes, of course. University alumni can compete. But this is really a students' competition. Only an alumni can only belong to a team, and not more than one alumni. That is, we know that a team is composed of 3 to 4 persons, right? So if a team is composed of 4 persons, we can only have one alumni in that team.
Okay.
Do you understand how
Yes. Okay, so I understand. Okay, so now I want to know, because please, we're all youth here. In as much as we want to participate in this thing, people will always want to look for the consequences, the results, the end game of all this thing. So now I want to know, is there a final prize for this whole thing?
Okay, yes, there is a final prize, and I believe that anything that doesn't pay you, there is no need venturing into it. Human beings are all selfish. So talking about this competition, there's a lot you need to gain. Apart from the mentorship programs whereby CEOs of business will be teaching you about business idea, helping you to make your business idea more realistic, you will get a grand prize of $1 million by Hult Prize if you come out with the best idea in the whole world. Apart from that, so just by participating on campus here, you will receive a certificate of participation signed by the Honorable former President of America, Bill Clinton. So what more can you ask for as an entrepreneur?
I guess so. Yeah. My next question, do you have to have an idea to participate?
Talking about idea. Yes, idea is essential for Hult Prize Imsu. But even though you don't have an idea, if you're consistent and you show interest and commitment, you can actually pair up with someone that have idea and become a team maker. Or as brainstorming section go on, idea is going to pop on and you're going to have an idea.
Okay. So my last question for the day. I don't want to take much of your time. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's
So,
okay.
do you necessarily have to be a business student? Because hearing all these things you've said, it's all about business, be it social or whatever. It's centered on business, making business, So now, do you have to be a business student to participate? If you're a science student, an art student, you're not qualified. So I just want to know, is it centered on just business students?
No, students from different fields can actually form a team and actually bring up an idea. The best kind of teams are made up of students from diverse backgrounds. You could be an artistic person and then you could take control of the branding. You could be an engineering person, then you take hold of logistics. Then if you is a business management person there, then you could be an added advantage for business structure. So the best teams will actually be made up of people from diverse backgrounds. If we just have the same people from the same field of study, I think it would be boring.
Okay, before we round off, I know that's your last question. I want to add something. Hult Prize Imsu State University, this competition has 4 levels. We have the on-campus, which we are holding here in Imsu, which will be doing the final event on the 12th of March next month. We will also have the regionals, we have the global accelerator, and we have the global finals. You know, Hult Prize on campus, we are not just here to participate. That's why we are calling for serious students. We are calling for individuals that have the best idea to come join us and will help lead the generation to change the world. And hopefully we'll win that $1 million prize.
Hopefully.
That is it.
Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. I am thankful for this kind of initiative that is in Imsu. I'm really happy. Okay, I hope I get to also join in after this.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys are really doing great. Okay,
Thank you
good luck.
so much. Good luck. Thanks.
Okay. Oh my god, that was really mind blowing. I really like it. I hope you are going to join because me, I'm already belonging to Hult Prize Imsu. Because look, it's really phenomenal when you join this kind of thing, when you belong to this kind of movement, okay? Because it's, in fact, you yourself, you'll be proud of yourself that at least you're trying to make a change in your world, in your society, okay? I love this kind of things. I hope you're going to join in too, okay? So it has been a beautiful time with you guys. I love you all. Please join Hult Prize Imsu. Bye.